Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Coinbase wallet. First, you will need to download the Coinbase wallet application from your mobile device's app store. Once installed, open the app and choose to create a new wallet. You will then have the opportunity to claim a unique username, which can make sending and receiving cryptocurrency much easier than using a long address. This wallet is non-custodial, meaning you have complete control over your digital assets and private keys. During the setup process, the app will generate a unique 12-word recovery phrase. This phrase is critically important. It is your master key. You must write it down accurately and store it in a very secure, offline location, as losing it means losing access to your funds permanently. To further protect your wallet, set a strong, unique passcode or PIN. Additionally, enable biometric security features like fingerprint or Face ID on your mobile device for quick and secure access. Remember, your recovery phrase is for your eyes only. Coinbase will never ask you for it, so never share it with anyone to prevent unauthorized access to your funds. Once your wallet is set up and secured, you can add funds. You can transfer cryptocurrency from an existing Coinbase exchange account or another external wallet. Alternatively, you can purchase crypto directly within the wallet using a linked bank account or debit card. With funds in your wallet, you are ready to explore decentralized applications and manage a wide range of digital assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.